it's like Rebecca said. I said it's basically one day I'm going to have to tell if this continues, and one day I'm going to have to look at my little boy and say that his country, and all the pro-lifers are, so behind protecting life and the sanctity of life, that all these pro-lifers are supporting, if someone's heartbeat is detected at that moment, we cherish life so much that it's, that we're going to value it and we're going to protect it. However, if you're conceived like you were, well, we understand that you can be killed. Like, I don't understand how someone could not feel a twinge at that and think, well, of course, that would be so painful for a mother to feel like you have to look at your baby and be like, well, but I can understand why we can make an exception for you.